Welcome to another episode of A Conversation. As Satya Nani once rightly said, a little bit of work towards something each day adds up to huge results. I'm Shaila Saxena from Media Shala at MRI's 51 Gurugram, and I'm sitting here with the epitome of this saying and our prestigious school topper, Nafia Aryan Khan. We're pleased to have you here.
Thank you, Shaila.
Now that you're the school topper and you've inspired so many students to strive for the success and be the best version of themselves, can you share with us how you feel about this success? And moreover, who do you think has played a truly important role in you reaching this point?
Well, I feel very happy, elated. I'm over the moon. But yeah, I think this is the result of my hard work. And for the important part, I think my mother has played a very significant role here. And of course, my teachers, mentors, and my friends have played a really important, significant role in this whole journey.
That's a great answer. Can you describe what your days looked like during the very stressful exam season? Walk us through one of your days. And were there any specific methods or strategies that you choose to use that would help you in studying?
Well, I think my exam days and the ones before the exams were like 75% study and revise, and then those 15% was I think relaxations, calming down, hanging out with family, parents and friends. Because I think too much stress is a little bit not that good. And for my strategies, I think NCERT is the key to your boards, to success in boards in fact. And I think constantly revising it, because for boards we have full syllabus, so I think constantly revising those first few chapters is really essential.
So 15% and NCERT. I'll keep that in mind. Now for future. Let's talk future. What are your future plans and what stream have you chosen? What do you aspire to be when you grow up?
Well, right now I have chosen science stream with bio, and my future aspiration for now is to clear NEET, of course. And I think my final goal would be to serve my country as a medical corps.
That's wonderful. Truly inspiring. So tell us, Miss Topper, besides studies, what are your other interests or hobbies, things you like to do?
Well, I think most of my time aside from studies is taken up by dancing. I am a classical dancer, so I have to practice a lot. Yeah, and I think aside from that, writing is one of my favorite hobbies in fact. I write a lot, stories, poems and stuff. Yeah, that's it.
Do tell me some of your poems then. For our final question, could you share a message or a piece of advice that you would like to give to the many students who look up to you as their role model?
Yeah, sure. I think I have three advices mainly. Yeah, so first would be that NCERT, it's the course, the base for your boards and exams. And secondly, I think revisions and of course the advice, following advices of your teachers, mentors and seniors of course, yeah, that matters a lot. And I think lastly, balance is really necessary during that exam period because there's a lot of stress and I think you need to calm down a bit for you to perform nicely during the exams.
That was a great answer. Thank you so much, Nafia, for taking time out of your day and being with us here at Media Shala. We wish you the very best for your future.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching this insightful episode of A Conversation. Stay tuned for more.